After the partition of Bengal, Muslims started feeling that their political rights are under a big threat. As long as Indian National Congress is leading the national movement, some of the Muslims started thinking that they cannot have their own political rights, they cannot have their own political identity. So in order to achieve that political identity or their political rights, they started thinking that they must have an organization that can talk only for the Muslims. And later on we got one in 1906, that is Muslim League. Second thing, they started thinking that if we could get help from the British, that would be a cherry on the cake, right? So they decided to, they started looking here and there, so from where they can get this help. At this same time, the British decided to expand their legislative council, that is Viceroy's Legislative Council. And now there was a group who was looking forward to get something or get some help from the British. Now they got a chance, right? This Archibald, one of the principal of Mayo College, right? He prepared this a few member of Muslim group, that you must go to the Viceroy and try to influence him so you can get some help from the Viceroy, where you can get a chance to be a part of this legislative council. What he suggested them, that address should be begin while going to the Viceroy, right? When you will go there, you must address him in this way, that the address should begin with the proclamation of loyalty to the British rulers, and there should be an expression of fear that general system of elections, well, they are going to have a general election for this legislative council, but Muslims people, they should go and tell Viceroy that the general system of election would harm the interest of Muslims, as they were in minority in the country, and they should ask for some system of nomination or representation, directly, indirectly. He prepared them that Muslims, you should go to the Viceroy and ask him if you can get a reservation on the basis of religion. And whatever the demands they were having, they put forward to the Viceroy, and they got assurance from the Viceroy at that time that definitely sooner or later, when they will going to have this legislative council, definitely the British will help them to participate them in the legislative council.